We'll guide you through how to fix Windows 11 Bluetooth not working. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really inconvenient as you're then unable to use Bluetooth devices. We've got some different fixes you can try. Press the Windows Start button at the bottom, which is Start, and then open up your settings. Press Bluetooth to the left. You may find that Bluetooth isn't appearing here at all, or it is, but you're just not finding devices. So for the first fix, you want to press search at the bottom and go and type in services. In here, you want to go and scroll down until you can find the Bluetooth options and go and double click on each one of them and make sure they're all running. And you can set the starter type to automatic, press apply and press OK and repeat that for the others. Go and see if that then solves the problem. If it still doesn't, you want to press search at the bottom and type in device manager. In here, you need to go into Bluetooth, expand it by pressing the arrow to the left and find the adapter. Right click on it. If it isn't already, go and enable it. Then you can see if that solves the problem. If it still doesn't, you want to come and right click on it and you want to go and press uninstall device and you want to go and remove the driver and then go and press uninstall. Press yes and you can restart your computer. When it restarts, it should now be solved and try using Bluetooth again.